Hi, this is a quick response to Professor Quack's instructional video for how to fix broken buttons on the MPC. As you can see here, as opposed to putting a flat strip of this tape across the back of the button housing, I found that after about a week, the tape started to pull up on one side of the little ridge on the back here. So instead of one strip of tape, at least maybe he had a thicker set of tape, but I found that doing this double strip going around this little ridge here helped. So hopefully that works out a little bit better, and thanks to Professor Quack for the original video, and yeah, don't forget to use some of this when you're touching parts that you're going to have adhesive tape stuck to. That's it. Thanks.